Hello everyone, in this video we will get to know about how to remove blurriness when we import any sprite in our Unity. So let's get into it. So as you can see on my scene view, we have two sprites. This is the target sprite and this is the sample sprite. We have two same sprites here in our project panel. So we have to make this sprite look as this. So we'll click the sample sprite and then we'll get the inspector. This shows the various settings of the sprite, and then we'll see here that there is a filter mode which is set to bilinear, and we have to change it to point, which is no filter. As we apply, boom, this is now has become sharp, crystal clear sprite as this one. So this is how we can convert blurry sprites into like sharp image like this one. So that is it from my side. This was a short, simple setting based tutorial video which I wanted to make, so that if any of you face this problem, like those who have just started in Unity, so you can fix it. So thank you for watching.